Oke, next song DP judul On My Way.
On My Way.
Ini true story dari orang kisah hidup masing-masing.
Ya, of course.
Tentang struggle. Oke, DJ, let's go. Sore-sore bagi top chill dulu. Gitu.
Karena selalu panas kok di sini. What's up?
Talk to me. Talk to me. Ooh, I love the things you say.
Hey.
Talk to me.
Woo.
Talk to me. In your own
Let's go.
gentle way.
Chill deh.
Pas masih sekolah, ortu suruh lanjut kuliah mata tolak. Guys kita punya jalan sendiri, pun lihat venunya. Buktinya kita sampai sekarang masih ada dan tak yakin dorang ada. Amin. I got love, making love, and losing love. Tanpa jalan begitu tong akan mengerti batis of love. Rest in peace all my ex, sorry and thank you next. Respect yo. Still ain't fucking us in the game, in your frame. Be my friend walking to the top till the end. Making money every day, give a fuck what they say. I'm still on my way. All I wanna do, oh yeah, what I love is true, oh yeah. No matter what they say, I still on my way. All I wanna do, oh yeah, what I love is true, oh yeah. No matter what they say, I still on my way.
Still on my way. Tak peduli dong bicara kini, cause they don't know about me. Yang sampai hari ini masih hidup, masih makan. Tak buat susah orang banyak hidup, tidur di jalanan dulu. Kali ku rasakan, karena yang selalu ingatkanku, kejar mimpimu dan jangan kau ragu. Percaya pada proses dan yakini what you love, what you do, pasti sampai yang kau tuju. Remember that you are something. Ku tak percaya awal kita nothing. Setiap manusia punya kelebihan dan talenta. Jangan dengar kata dunia karena kamu berbeda.
Bertahan sampai detik ini because of my way. Berikan yang terbaik to the best from today. Percaya perannya tuh bahagiamu on the way. No matter what they say, bersyukur always pray. Dalam bidang ini saya masih belum gulung tiga. Saya yakin ojol rezeki kita akan pernah terbuka. Hidup ini lebih dari peluang tangga. Kau akan berproses sampai titik berumah tangga. Walau seribu masalah ada sejuta solusi. Lakukan dengan ikhlas semua teratasi. Dare to dream and dare to achieve. Dare to dream and dare to achieve.
So many ways you speak of love I've heard before, and it sounds so good every time.
DJ Ricky Maulana.
Let's go.
Please
Right.
take the part. I love just once more. Darling, I'm so glad you're
Let's go.
All I wanna do, oh yeah, what I love is true,
Oh yeah.
no matter what they say,
I still
on my way. All I wanna do, what I love is true, oh yeah, no matter what they
No
say,
matter what they say.
I still on my way. On my way.